Here's how to create a chart in Google Docs. Since Google Docs doesn't have a built-in chart creator, you will use Google Sheets to make it. Open a new Google Sheet by going to File, click New, then Spreadsheet. Enter or paste your data into the sheet. Highlight your data, go to Insert, and click Chart. Google Sheets will automatically suggest a chart type. If it's not what you need, use the Chart Type drop-down to select a different one. Go to the Customize tab to add a chart title and axis labels. Once your chart looks the way you want, click on it, click the three-dot menu, and select Copy. Go back to your Google Doc and paste it in. A pop-up will ask if you want to link the chart to the spreadsheet. Select Link so that any future changes you make to the data in Google Sheets automatically update the chart in your doc. Resize the chart by clicking on it and dragging the corners to fit your document. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point Google Docs tutorials on Step by Click.